Hi, I'm Gerald, Product Manager for Nuvo. We're at CEDIA and I'm showing a lot of new products this year, including the P5000 models, which are direct dealer only. Those are 3-zone rack mount models. We offer that as a P5050, a P5100, and a P5200, which is new for us, and it's unique. It's the largest amplifier that Nuvo's ever produced. It's 2 rack units, and it's 200 watts a channel at 4 ohms, and that's in 3 zones, so it's great for outdoor systems. In addition to the P5000 models are 3 models of in-wall subwoofers and in-wall subwoofer complementary amplifiers. There's a twin 8 in-wall, a single 8 in-wall, and a single 8 in-ceiling infinite baffle model for all of the different requirements where a subwoofer in the room is not acceptable, and we still must have good bass response in that area. The complementary amplifiers that go with the architectural subwoofers come in 2 different form factors. One is a small, unique, compact unit that will fit in or under many different scenarios so that we can mount it in closets, under cabinets, on cabinet walls, or wherever you can fit it and still let it breathe a little bit, because amplifiers do generate a little bit of heat. And then the other 2 models, the 200 watt and then the 500 watt that's loaded with some really good DSP, are rack mount 1U units. For information on any of the new items that I just covered or any of the existing Nuvo items that you sell today, please go to our website, legrand.us/Nuvo, and take a look at all of the resources we've got available for you. Go to bluevolt.com for all the trainings that we've produced for you, for all of the different items and integrations with third-party control systems, and enjoy.